ओके, भवान् भवती वदतु प्रार्थनाश्लोकम्।
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनावतु सहनौ पुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
सो गतकक्षायां वयं समास पुस्तकात् अभ्यास त्रय चतुर्थ कृतवन्तः वयं सर्वे। तस्य चतुर्थ मध्ये किमपि संशय अस्ति, लैक् गुरुम् अभि नंबर 7। सो तत्र अहं वदति, अहं न जानामि कः समासः इति। प्रादिसमासः सम्यक् वा राजश्री महोदय?
गुरुमपि।
हाँ, गुरुम् अभि। सो समस्तपदम् अभिगुरु।
ओ अभिगुरु।
हाँ, इस समस्तपदम्।
ओके।
And it's a
प्रादि समासः वा?
हाँ।
ओके।
then तदनन्तरम् अष्टम आहिमगिरेः।
आहिमगिरे
तत्रापि प्रादिसमासः एव। आहिमगिरि। तदनन्तरम् आकन्याकुमार्याः। तत्र आकन्याकुमारी हस्वरि, तत्रापि प्रादिसमासः।
इति अव्ययीभावन वा?
आम्, इट् इस् अव्यय।
नो, आहिमगिरे अव्ययीभावसमासः न वा?
Okay, let me check. राजश्री महोदय, भवती किमपि जानाति वा?
महोदय, पेज् 27 मध्ये अव्ययीभावस्य नियमाः इत्यत्र एव दीयते। पेज् 27 समासपुस्तके।
आम्।
पेज् 27 सप्तविंशतितमपुटे द्वितीयम् ईकारान्त ईकारान्तोः वा शब्दः वारिशब्दस्य एकवचनमिव शक्तिम् अनतिक्रम्य आकन्याकुमार्याः।
तत्र दीयते अव्ययीभाव।
अव्ययीभाव।
So what about आहिमगिरेः?
तदपि अहं मन्ये अव्ययीभाव एव।
आहिमगिरि किल?
Which one is it then? Ahimgiri? Yes.
Avyayibhava. Because in the example Tadeva diyate na 27 पेज् नम्बर् मध्ये
Okay.
27तम पुटे समासपुस्तके
Mhm.
तदेव अस्ति कन्याकुमार्याः
That
Okay.
means Kanyakumari means up to Kanyakumari, right?
Yeah, I think it is up to and including like that.
Yeah, yes. That's what I think that is Vyaptartha something like that.
Possibly, I don't remember the way.
Yeah, that,
Because
Okay.
we said,
So
no,
both
even
are Avyayi Bhav Samasa.
like I think even in Lata and Malati, we have used that word Adinam, without understanding it's a samasa. We used to say Adinam, the whole day I worked.
Yeah, whole day.
Like that.
And this is Abhi Shobha Yatram, last one, number 20. It's a Pradisimas, right?
Must be, Abhi looks like Pradi.
And Madhya Sabham, Madhya Sabhayaha, it's Avyayi Bhav, right?
that is Avyayi Bhava. But Abhi, is it Pradi or?
Yeah.
What else can that also Mahodaya, Rohini Mahodaya, you're telling it is
No, Abhi, that's also Avyayi Bhava or Pradi, I have a doubt.
because Abhi is there, possibly it's Pradi.
Abhi is a Upasarga.
The other one, Madhye Sabayaha, what did you say? Actually, I've lost touch 2 weeks.
Avyayi Bhava.
I'm traveling, so I'm completely out of touch.
Avyayi Bhava Tatra, because in Avyayi Bhava, we says that Upasarga अस्ति अन्यानि अव्ययानि यथा इति सह यावत् कदाचित् अनव्ययमपि पार मध्य संख्यावाचकम्.
So the samasa must be Sabha Madhya, right? Sabha Madhya?
मध्य सभम.
Madhya Sabham. Okay.
Madhye Sabayaha, like I think Mahodaya gave example of Madhye Samudram something, na?
Madhya Samudram, yes.
So he gave the answer as Madhya Samudram.
So it will be Madhya Sabha.
No, Samudrasya Madhye something he gave.
That's what I told, Sabha Madhya.
Yeah, correct.
So Madhye Sabham.
Madhya Sabham or Sabha Madhya?
No, अकारान्त अस्ति चेत् अकारान्त अस्ति चेत् अम् भवति.
Madhya Sabham.
Because it's avyayani padani.
That Madhye Samudrasya Madhye he gave Madhya Samudram.
So
But Samudram must be a Napumsankalinga, right?
No. Samudraha, it's a Pullinga Shabda.
Oh. So Tadeva, right.
Samudraha is I'll just confirm, it is a Pullinga Shabda.
Okay.
So ante a or a bhavati chet agacchati. Dirgha ikaranta dirgha ukaranta asti chet hasva bhavati. And rukaranta asti chet pratipadikam rupam agacchati.
Samudraha Pullinga eva Mahodaya.
And ante okaranta va aukaranta agacchati chet it is ukaranta bhavati. Hasva ukara bhavati. So like this, Abhi Shobha Yatram, right? So Abhi Shobha Yatra, but Yatra is a akaranta asti chet, it's bhavati. So Sobha, Abhi
Yatra,
Sobha,
yatra is yatra or yatra?
Yatra is a Strilinga Shabda.
Oh, yatra.
Hmm. So
But
only the
Matu,
Shub-
but Matuः समीपे is ऋकारन्त शब्दः.
Hmm.
तद उप माता न भवति, मातृ ओन्ली, not क अपि न योजनीयम्, उपमातृ, because all these are avyay bhava. So when samastapadam also avyayam.
But this Abhi Guru, that we'll have to check, no?
Bhiguru. So we have a abhi. We have a abhimukham. So abhi, it's a pradi samase diyate abhimukham, abhigatah mukham. Okay, agre saramah va.
Tadeva, I think we can clarify that. I feel, I don't know. It could
Right.
be Pradi, I'm not sure.
So only abhigurum we have to clarify with Mahoday now.
No, even Shobha Yatra Abhi.
Okay.
That was what was the answer you said?
I told pradi samasa because atra diyate abhigata mukha.
Abhigatam. But अहं चिन्तयामि तत्र अभि प्रथमम् अस्ति अत्र
प्रयोगः
अभिमुखम् अभि कम्स् अस् पूर्वपदम् अत्र अभि उत्तरपदम् अस्ति तदेव
So atrapi gurum abhi, it's also uttarapadam asti.
तदेव अहं वदामि. I feel that's why there might be difference.
Okay, then we have to ask
Mahodaya.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, uttarapadame asti, right. Pradi samasaha. Okay, we can agresara mahava. So these two we have to ask. Okay, so today myself, then Prashant Mahoday, Rajashri and Rohini Mahoday. Okay. Okay, so Abhyasa Panchamam. Prasadah Dhanam Sangrahitvan. So Sanskrita Sammelan Navasare. अवसरे उदाहरण दीयते पूर्व निर्दिष्टानां वाक्यानाम् आधारेण कः कः कीदृशः इति बहुव्रीहिघटितपदेन सूचयन्तु. प्रथमं विग्रहवाक्यं लिखित्वा ततः समस्तपदं लिखतु. उदाहरण संगृहीतं धनं येन सह. सो संगृहीत धनः प्रसादः. सो अत्र प्रसादः दीयते. सो समस्तपदं मस्ट बी न पुल्लिंग, राइट. So next one is Prahlad. Prahladah diyate. So Prahladah Vedikam Alankrutawan. So Vigraha Vakyam will be Alankrutam. Vedika is a Strilinga Shabda, right? So Alankruta Vedika Yena Saha. Then it come, right? Prahladaha.
Mm.
So Samasta Padam will be Alankruta Vedikaha.
Alankrita Vedikaha va.
Prahladaha asti, right?
Ah. Rasvam bhavati.
Samyak va?
Amiti manu.
And it's Trutya Samanadikarana Bahurihi.
Astu.
So Prashant Mohoday Trutiyam Karotu.
Agade, but what is
Oh,
Vedikam
Mahodaya.
Alankritava?
Vedika is, I think, it's
Vedika
a
and
asan, some kind of asan,
Oh,
sinhasan.
okay.
That's what I'm
Huh?
manye.
Oh,
What is Vedika?
Vedika is kind of asan for the. Let me check in the Astadhyay. Okay.
A raised seat, a seat.
yes, that's what she means.
Oh, it's a seat. I thought Vedika. I thought
Oh.
something to do with Veda.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Mm.
But,
It says, Apte says Vedika means a sacrificial altar or ground. That is one meaning.
okay,
This,
so that is befitting, right?
uh,
Alankritavan, yes.
Vedikam Alankritavan, sacrificial altar. Second one is a raised seat. Third meaning is a seat in general.
Okay.
So it could be anything. It is a Strilinga Padam, Vedika. So, yeah, Alankrita Vedikaha. Okay, Vedika is the sacrificial altar, the Yajnashala something.
Right.
Okay. Prashant Mahud.
Can you hear me? Today I think I'll only listen because I'm outside.
Okay.
So, I'm sorry.
So do you want to try if I speak the word?
Like I'm in a hospital.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Everything is okay?
Yeah, everything is okay. It's
Okay.
sorry.
Okay. So Rajashri Mohoday.
Mala Padakani Nirmitavati.
Mm-hmm.
So, Nirmitam Padakam Yayasa. Nirmitam Padakam Yayasa. Nirmita Padaka Mala.
Algo aquí o eso?
Nirmita Padaka Mala.
Hola. Buenas tardes. ¿La sala cuál se lo? Bien.
Prashant Mahodaya, can you mute? Harsha Modia, can you kind of mute him? I think since he's busy.
Yes. So, भवती सम्यक् उक्तवती निर्मितपदका
Mala.
आम् माला इस् अ स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं
Mm.
तदर्थं निर्मितं पदकं यया सा सम्यक्
So Padaka, it is a banner like thing, right?
Mala Padakani. That is Pataka, no? PA.
पदकः
Banner is, I thought, Pataka, no? We'll check. Wait.
एक मिनिट 1 minute let me check
Padaka is one is a Brahman knowing the verses of the Vedas. Second one is a weight of gold, an ornament of the neck.
Oh, Padakam, what we call Padakam, right?
In Tamil and Malayalam, I think we have the same word.
Yes,
Padakam.
yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Tamil we
Padakam.
have Padakam. I know Malayalam also is Padakam.
Yes.
I think that is the meaning here.
Oh,
okay, padakam means ornament of the neck
I think that is the meaning. That banner, Rohini Mahodaya, I think it is Pataka, I think, if I'm right.
what we call Padaka.
pataka right
We
it's a
call
स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं
Padaka is something, right? That is.
Huh?
We call Padaga in our regional language. In Tamil, we call Padaga.
Yeah, I think here it is Pataka. Na, Harsha Mahodaya? Pataka, I think.
पताका
Pataka.
yeah पताका मन्ये ध्वज
Yeah, something. Yes.
Pataka, not Pataka. Okay.
So, because it is given Mala Padakani, I thought something that is made.
माला इस्
Yeah, that I got
स्त्री
it.
अस्ति तस्य नामः
Okay.
तस्याः नामः
Okay. So this is my turn.
आम्
Sudhiraha Gananam Likitavan.
आम्
Likita Ganaha Sudhiraha, right? Likita Ganaha.
लिखितः गणः
Likitaha va?
विग्रहवाक्यं किं भवति
Likitavan. No. Likitaha Ganaha Yena Saha.
किन्तु गणनाम् इति गणना इस् स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदम् गणनाम् इस् अ स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं रैट्
Ganana. Ganani.
Ganana means what? Gananam?
counting ganana means counting right
Ganana. So Ganini, right? It is Ganini.
Ganini is computer. Ganini.
Yeah.
Ganana is male computer.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Likita Ganana.
No?
Ganana.
Is it in Dvitiya Vibhakti here? I'm thinking it's in Sashti. My mind is.
गणना इति
So
गणयति
I
इति
thought it is Sashti.
Oh, it is Dvitiya Mahodaya. When I thought it is Sashti. When I saw Nam, but it is what Harsha said is correct. Gananam is Dvitiya. Ganana means account, it says.
yeah account
Accounts. calculation, accounts.
Calculation, right.
So,
He wrote accounts, something like that is the meaning.
Likita Ganana, Ganana,
Hmm?
Likita Ganana,
Hmm.
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
Ganana, Ganana, but it is Sudhiraga, that is pulling in.
Hmm.
Likita Ganana, Yenasaha.
आम्.
Um,
So समस्तपदं किं भवति?
So, Likita Gananaha,
आम्, सम्यक्.
Likita Gananaha.
लिखिता गणना येन सह लिखितगणनः. And it's a tritiya, right?
Tritiya Samanadhikara bhavati.
Okay, now mama संयोजकः गोष्ठीं निरूढवान्. गोष्ठीं. गोष्ठी is a स्त्रीलिंगम padam. So niru and what they give us संयोजकः. संयोजकः पुल्लिंग padam. So
What is Nirudavan?
निरूढवान्. आरूढवान् इत्युक्ते क्लैम्बिंग. सो निरूढवान् इत्युक्ते अहं न जानामि. सो गोष्ठी इज स्त्रीलिंगम. सो निरूढा गोष्ठी.
Yojitavan, something like that.
ओके. येन सह. सो ईकारं पदम् अस्ति चेत् क योजनीयं. निरूढ गोष्ठी कः. सम्यक् वा?
किं उक्तवती?
अहम् उक्तवती गोष्ठी इस् अ स्त्रीलिङ्गं पदं. सो निरूढा गोष्ठी and संयोजक is a pulling padam. So yena saha. So niruddha goshti kaha. ईकारान्तं पदम् अस्ति चेत् क योजनीयं, right? नदीका. So it's right.
Niruda
गोष्ठिकः.
Hrasvam, na?
कः.
Na,
पुल्लिङ्गपदम्.
Hrasva ikara it will become
No,
Goshti.
no, goshti is a dirgha ikaran, like a nadika. Purna nadika.
Okay,
But
okay.
See, this is bahuvrihi, right? So bahuvrihi, we have to ka yojniyam, ikarant asti chet. Only avyayi bhave is a hasva karaniyam. Right? So we are getting mixed up.
We are getting mixed up.
Yeah.
Now, Nirudhavan means meaning.
Rohini Mohoday Uktavati Yojita.
no, I was just guessing.
Guessing. Oh. So let's check.
They are giving various meanings. Separate. Nirudha means separate. Goshti Nirudhavan. I think.
Goshtim Tektavan. So Tektavan. He goes away from the Goshti.
Yeah, that could also be the meaning. It says the different meanings. Spoken Sanskrit is saying separate, purged, conventional, unmarried, accepted, so many things.
Okay.
So I feel separated means Goshtim, Nirudavan means he split the Goshti, is it? Or he kind of broke, I don't know. I'm not understanding. Unmarried, it says grown, risen. Goshtim Nirudhavan.
Rude means चढ़ा हुआ, सवार लदा हुआ.
No, maybe it is Nirada Goshti Samyojakaga. He unites the separated Goshti, something like that.
Nirudhavan. Could be. Sanyojakaha means the person who is,
Who unites, right?
yeah. But it's giving the opposite meaning here. Nirudha means separate, purged. That is the meaning it is saying.
Oh,
It has many meanings, but I feel that accepted is one meaning. I don't know.
निरूढ़ता.
Huh?
निरूढ़ता अविवाहितस्य अवस्था. I don't know.
It also says
निरूढ़वान.
conventional meaning as the meaning of technical words in opposition to their etymological sense.
no.
Nirudha, that also it says. I don't know what it means. I'll see 1 minute. I'll see Koshanvesha. 1 minute.
Okay.
Koshanvesha also says conventional. What is accepted in popular usage. Here we said Niruda Goshti. Na? In compounds, it says Niruda Lakshana. Means Niruda Lakshana means it says a use of a word which is based not on the particular intention. Oh.
That is more complicated. We don't understand it.
Yeah, no, I got that. But here, Niruda Goshti means, I don't know. Here, I don't know what it will come as. It's very difficult to draw a parallel.
Yeah, that's what.
It also says drawn out. Harsha Mahodaya, you got any other meaning, is it?
No, yeah, means rude इत्युक्ते चढ़ा हुआ, सवार लदा हुआ, दूर दूर तक विख्यात.
That is for rude.
So I think, yeah, it's for rude, दूर दूर तक विख्यात. So nirude maybe not that vikyat, maybe opposite or emphasis.
Oh, in Kannada it says Nirudha means it says Chennage Baledu Bandiruva means that which has had abhivriddhi, which has grown, grown. So Goshti Nirudhavan means he has grown the Goshti.
Oh.
Yeah.
So Nirud means grown.
I think that is the meaning. Huh?
That's so Samyojaka makes sense, right?
Samyojakaha makes sense there because in Kannada it is saying Chennagi Baledu Bandiruva or Abhivriddhi Hondiruva means that which has got Abhivriddhi, which has grown kind of, flourished. But the meaning they are not giving in English, they are giving something under.
So अत्र रूढ means एषा रीति समाजे अद्यापि प्रचलिता वर्तते. So I think upasarga emphasis on rude.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Abhivriddhi means it is emphasis.
Yeah, no, grown up. See, that other meaning is grown up. That means he grew up the party. Goshti Nirudavan means he kind of grew the party.
Okay.
No, we came across Viruda Sashpam. Viruda Sashpam. We came across Viruda Sashpam in the Kavyam, na? Raghuvamsha.
I have not revised any of the Kavyam. I have just done Samasa a little bit. Last 2 weeks I'm traveling. I'm in a bad shape.
No. What I meant was Viruda. There also it meant Viruda meant it a little grown, something like that.
Oh, acha. So here we can take it as Abhivruddhi, Mahodaya, na?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. निर्देशकः कार्यकर्तॄन् प्रेरितवान्. So कार्यकर्तुम् is a द्वितीया vibhakti and
I should do, no? My turn.
निर्देशकः. So प्रेरितवान्. So प्रेरित कार्यकर्ता. Prathama vibhakti, right? So Prathama vibhakti will be karyakarta. Karyakartrun. Prathama vibhakti will be karyakarta. So prerita karyakarta yena saha. So prerit karyakartruk samastapadam will be. Rukaranta kar asti chet, right? Pratipadikam kartru asti, right? This is rukaranta padam. Karyakartru.
Kartru.
Right. So karya kartruk. Prerita karya kartruk. Kaha.
Kartrukaha.
What is the vigraham you told?
Prerita karya karta yena saha.
No, it will not be prerita, no, it will be preritaha.
Oh, karya karta raha. Preri karya karta raha. Because karya kartrun, it's bahuvachanam asti. So karya kartarah preritaha karya kartarah yena saha. So prerit karya kartrukah.
Preritaha karya karta kartaro kartaraha.
Ha.
Preritaha karya kartaraha.
Kartaraha.
Yena saha.
Yena saha.
So prerit karya kartrukah. Right?
Nirdeshakaha.
Bhavati karoti na. Next.
Balikaha vitihi alankritavatyah. Viti, vityau, vityah, vitim, viti. Should be nadi, nadyau, nadyah, nadim, nadyau, nadihi. Is bahuvachanam. So, alankritaha vityah yaya sa. Alankritaha yena vityah alankritaha sa balika. Alankritaha vityaha yaya sa.
I think yaya sa ya bhi. Balikaha asti, right?
Oh, acha acha yaya.
Ya bhi taha.
Yena yabhyam yabi. Yaya yabhyam yabihi. Yabihi, correct. Yabihi taha.
Ha. Kaha.
And the word will be alankrita. Alankrita vitihi balikaha. Vityaha balikaha.
No.
They can be in singular, no?
It is a nadi, like a nadi sabdavat. Ikaranta asti chet.
Nadi nadi. Alankrita vityaha. Vityaha balikaha.
No, vitya is a Vithya is not there. Nadi asti chet, then we use Nadikaha.
No,
Right.
what I thought
Nadika,
the many
Nadikam.
balika they're decorating one Vidhi, something like that.
No, many balikas decorating many vitis. Many
Vithis, right.
Oh,
viti is vitiya bahuvachanam. Oh, acha acha. Okay, I have to use ka pratyaya. Alankrita.
Alankrutaha vithihi vithyaha yabhi taha.
No, the samasta padam vidhi will be alankrita viti kaha.
Kaha is pullinga.
Viti kaha.
Satyam.
My God, I forgot.
We have to remember all these things.
Alankrita viti kaha.
Rohini Mohade.
Varada pustakani vikritavati.
Varada pustakani vikritavati. Varada.
Varada. So Vikritaha
Pustakani. It's a
Pustakani.
Bahuvachana
So
name.
that is Bhagavachana. So Vikritaha pustakani yabihi. No, Varada is
Ekvachana.
that is Ekavachanam, but it is Srilinga. So Vikrita pustakani yena saha. No.
Varada is a Strilinga padam, right?
So Vikritaha pustakaha.
Pustak Napunsaklinga asti.
So how did that?
So Pustakani. So Bahuvrihi samase.
Vikritani pustakani. Vikritani pustakani yayasa. Yayasa. And the samasta padam Vikrita pustaka. Pustaka eva, right?
Pustaka Varada. Right?
Okay.
Vikrita Pustaka. Samyak. Mangala Rangavallihi Likhitvati. So Mangala is a Strilingam padam. Rangavallihi. So it's a Bahuvachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Likhitvati. Rangavalli api Strilingam padam asti. So Likhitaha Rangavallihi. No. Rangavalya Yaya Sa. Right? Likhita Rangavalya Yayasa. So Likhita Rangavallika Mangala. Samyak va?
So are you checking the answers, Mahadya?
Yeah, it's correct, correct.
Okay.
So when I'm speaking, Rajashri Mahoday checking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, like that.
No, it's correct, correct.
Correct, right? So likhitaha rangavalyah yaya sa likhit rangavallika
Okay.
mangala. Okay. Rajashri Mahoday.
Prashant Mahodaya is there. He can do.
But सः समीपे पुस्तकं नास्ति. So he just listens.
So I'm at home now. No
Okay,
problem.
good. So भवत् करोतु.
Vidya Murleen Vaditvati.
आम्.
Vaditvati, Vidya Murleen Vaditvati. इसमें करना क्या था? Sorry. It is Vadit Murleen.
Murlim. So Murlim is in a Dvitiya Vibhakti over here. So it's a Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekvachanam. And Kidrasham Padam?
Pullingam.
No.
Murleen.
Murali.
Murli.
It's a Strilingam Padam.
Striling.
Okay. Like a Nadivat.
Nadi. Okay. So it would be then Vadit Murli.
Vigrahavakyam came and Samastapadam came.
Vigrahavakya.
You have to make Vigrahavakya for Vidya.
Vidya. इसके द्वारा बोला गया.
So Prathamam ya Chintaniyam kim Vigrahavakya kim.
No, I think if you see the example on the next page, you will get it. He didn't see.
Yeah.
He didn't follow.
Okay.
You tell him the example. I think he didn't.
Yeah. See the example padam. It is given Sangrihit Dhanaha Prasadaha. And see the first sentence, then you can make it out.
So here Vidya is the name of the person?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vidya is the name of the Kimapi Stri.
Vaditavati.
Okay. So Vadit Vidya.
No. Vidya is Kimapi Stri.
Yena Saha.
No. Strilingam padam asti chet kim karaniyam. Vidya is a Strilingam padam, right? Then kaha yojaniyam. Yat sabdasya kasya rupam.
Yaya.
And Murli is a Strilingam padam. So Vadita is Pullingam padam.
Vaditvati, no?
Vaditvati, but Bhavan Uktavan Vadita Murli Yayasa. So Vadita is a Pullingam padam. Murli is a Strilingam padam.
Vadita.
Kim karaniyam? Pullinge Vaditah asti. Strilinge
Vadite.
Vadita. Vadita. Murli.
Vadita, Murli. Yayasa.
Because Vidya is a Strilingam padam. So now vadatu samasta padam kim asti?
Vadit Vidya.
No. Vadita Bhavan did Vadita, Murli, Yayasa. So what is now Samastapadam? Only
Vadita,
no. Only Pratipadikam Chunotu. Vadita or Vadita. What is the Pratipadikam?
I'm not able to do this.
It's Vadita. Murli. Murli is a string lingam padam. So kaha yojniyam samastapade? Like nadi dirgha ikaranta asti chet, right? So kaha yojniyam purna nadi.
Vidya then.
No. यदि उत्तरपदं दीर्घ इकारान्त अस्ति चेत् किमपि प्रत्ययः योजनीयः.
Then Harasva, no?
No, it's avyai bhave. We have to do rasva. It's a pratyaya yojaniyam. Kaha pratyaya yojaniyam. Right? So Vadita Murli ka. So atra vidya asti. So समस्तपदं किम् अस्ति?
Murlika. Sorry.
Murlika, right. Vadita Murlika.
Murlika. See, yeah, now I remember, yes.
Okay, now you understand. Okay. Rajashri Mohode.
Mohanah Veenam Vaditavan. So Vadita Veena Yena Saha. And then Veena Vaditaha Mohanah.
Veena Vadita va?
Or Vadita Veena, no? So it will be Veena only, right? So Vadita Veenaha Mohanaha va? Vadita Veenaha Mohanaha. Will it be Veenaha?
Veenaha.
Rasvam
Because
bhavati.
Mohana is Pullingam padam. So Vadita Veenaha.
Veena becomes
Veenaha.
Mahodaya told for some example, Ganga will remain Ganga. It will not become Gangaha. Somewhere he told.
No. Somewhere, I don't know. But over here.
Yes,
Veenaha, Vadita Veenaha.
See, atra diyate, right? Sangrahitvan. So sangrahit dhanaha, right? Ganana, we samastapadam likhita gananaha.
No, I agree. Those are okay. But in some, I'm not sure whether Rohini Mahodaya, you remember. I think there was one lot of charcha about the word Ganga. Whether that will become Ganga, whether when it becomes
Ganga Nadi, right?
No, Avyai Bhave Pare Gangam.
Yeah.
No, not in Avyai Bhava. In Bahuvrihi, there was some discussion in one of the classes whether Ganga, when you try to convert it into a Pullingam, will it become Gangaha? Something came. So that's why I got confused. But I think this is Veenaha only. This will be Adita Veenaha Mohanaha.
Okay, Rohini Mohade.
But Veena is it pulling?
No, Strilingam.
Veena is Strilingam.
Strilingam.
Mohana, it is.
But why Veena then? Why not Veena?
No, this is Samastapadam from Mohanaha. See, atra diyate Mohanaha. Pushta 74.
Maybe Vadita
in place of Mohana, if it
right? Maybe Vadita Veena Kaha.
No. Ka comes only for E, U, and Rikaranta.
Yes.
No, I think Prashant Mahodaya, because Mohana is a Pullinga Padam. This Vadita Veena qualifies, it is adjective to Mohana. Correct? So when
Okay.
you make the Samasta Padam, Vadita Veena, it should become Pullinga because Vishesha Visheshanam, no? Bahuvrihi always. So you
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
make same
Vachanam.
Lingam Vibhakti Vachanam. So
Ah.
Veena
Like in
will
place of,
become
yeah.
Vadita
No, now I
Veena.
understand. But in case, like if it would have been Vidya, Veenam, Vaditvan, then it would have been then
Veena.
Veenak.
Yeah. No, Ka. Ka
No,
comes
Veena.
Veena.
before E.
Only Veena. Vadita Veena.
Veena.
Vadita Veena Vidya.
Ah.
But if it is, suppose some lady with Ikaranta name, I don't know, Malini,
Let's
Vadita,
put it.
something. No, Malini also will be the same only. Veena is Akaranta. It cannot become, Ka cannot come there. If it is some other word with ending with
See,
E,
Murli is a Dirgha
Murali.
Ikaranta. So
Veena
Tatra
Murali.
Ka
Correct.
Yojaniyam.
Correct.
Okay?
The previous example had Ka.
Ka.
Okay.
Right.
Murli. Okay. Murli, like normally, like I don't know, we like especially in North, like we use sometime it's for the male, not for the female.
Yeah.
Murali is that.
Name may be Murli.
Yeah, Murli, like Murli Dharan is a famous cricketer also, like
Right.
No,
like
in
you
South
use it for
also. No, in South also Murali is a male
Right.
it's a
name.
male.
Male name.
Male name. But here I think Murali is that flute of
Flute,
Krishna.
flute,
Okay.
flute.
Which
Ah.
is the, in Sanskrit it is Strilinga Padam.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is the,
Okay.
we get confused. Yeah.
Sureshah Atithi Abhinanditavan.
Mm-hmm.
Atiti is Srilinga.
Uh-huh.
Abhinandita Atiti Yena Saha.
So Abhinandita Bhavati Vadati. Abhinanditaha Atithi. Atithi is a Strilingam Padam.
Atiti is, I thought it is Srilinga.
No, Atithin, this is plural, no? Bahuvachanam asti. Atithin.
Atithi is a Pullinga Padam. Yeah, Atithi is a Pullingam Padam. It's a Haswa Ikaranta.
So, Abhinanditaha. No, that is Abhinanditaha. Adi. So Abhinanditaha.
Abhinanditaha.
Aditi. Aditayaha.
Atithayaha.
Aditayaha. Yebhyaha.
No.
No.
Yebhya na agachati. Atra only Sureshaha asti, right?
Oh, yeah. So, Yena Saha. Yena Saha is.
And Samastapadam kim asti?
अभिनंदित अतिथि कः?
No, Mahoday, I told you it's a Pullinga Padam.
Oh, right. Oh, but it is Sikaranta, kila?
No, it's a Pullingam Padam, Atithi. Haswati is asti, not Ikaranta Padam. Dirgha Ikaranta Padam nasti. Haswa
Oh,
Ikarantam Padam asti.
Abhinandita Atithi.
No, Abhinandita Atithi.
Aditi.
So, Mama Avasaraha. चंद्रः अध्यक्षाय मालाम् अर्पितवान्. So mala is a strilingam padam. We have to do for chandraha. Chandraha pullingam padam. So I think chandraha is a name of the kimapi mahodayah. So malam. So arpita mala येन सह अर्पित मालः. सम्यक् वा?
Mahodaya. Mahodaya, I just checked the answer for previous one. What Rohini Mahodaya did. It says Atithi. Atitihi, because it is Rasva, Visarga is there, it is showing.
Yeah, Visarga is supposed to be there because it's Sureshaha, right? So Bhinanditatihi, Tithihi.
Atitihi. I didn't hear, sorry. I thought
So,
she said
so
only
what is the Samstapadam for that? Abhinandita?
Abhinandita Atithihi.
Aditi. Right. Okay. Okay.
Atithi.
No, Atitihi, there is a Visarga.
Visarga is there.
And they
This
have
is
made
Suresh, no? Sureshaha.
Sureshaha.
they have made the Sandhi Abhinandita Titihi.
Yeah.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Bhavati.
I missed that. That is why it is.
Okay. Okay, Prashant Mahoday.
उद्घाटकः भारत मातरम् अर्चितवान्. अर्चित भारत माता मातृ.
Archit. So Bharat Mata.
अर्चित भारत मातृ, no? मातृ.
Matru.
Matru.
And then
Matru.
Ruka. Matruka. Right.
Matruka.
Matruka.
Matruka. येन सह.
Oh.
उद्घाटक है ना?
हाँ, उद्घाटक है, लेकिन अर्चित भारत मातृकः समस्त पदम् अस्ति. Now विग्रहवाक्यं किम् अस्ति?
अर्चित भारत मातृका.
See, समस्तपदे प्रथमा विभक्ति आगच्छति. प्रथमा विभक्ति आगच्छति. विग्रहवाक्य, सॉरी, विग्रहवाक्य.
अर्चित भारत माता.
भारत माता स्त्रीलिंगम पदम् अस्ति. राइट? सो अर्चिता आगच्छति वा?
अर्चिता.
सो अर्चिता
भारत माता येन सह.
राइट. एंड समस्त पदम.
अर्चित भारत मातृका.
कः मातृकः.
मातृकः.
राजश्री महोदय.
Matru.
Mahodaya, Bharata Mata, Mataram it says, no?
Mataram, so Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Matru, no? Bharata
Matru Shabda, right. Matru, so Dvitiya Vibhakti, Mataram, Matarau, Matrun.
Mata, Matarau, Mataraha, Mataram, Matarau, Matru.
Samyak?
Venkatesh. Amam. No, I thought it's a Strilinga Padam. It's a Rikaranta Strilinga Padam.
Am. Antimam karotu, Rajashri Mahoday.
Venkateshah Shobhayatraam Vyavasthapitavan. Shobhayatraam. Vyavasthapitavan. Shobhayatra. Vyavasthapita Shobhayatra Yena Saha.
Am.
Yena Shobhayatra Vyavasthapita. And the Samasta Padam will be Vyavasthapita Shobhayatraha.
Am. Samyak.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, Samyak.
Vyavasthita. But Shobha Yatra, is it not Shobha Yatra Strilinga Asti?
Yatra is a Strilingam Padam. But Venkatesha is a Pullingam Padam. Ataha Shobha Yatra.
Vyavasthapita, no?
Sthapita. Vigrahavakke sa vadati Vyavasthapita Shobha Yatra.
Vyavasthapita Shobhayatra Yena Saha. That is Vigraha Vakya. And in Samasta Padam, it gets converted to Pullingam because Venkatesha Pullingam. Vyavasthapita Shobhayatraha. Yatra will become Yatraha.
Yatra, like Mata, Matra. Like this.
No. This is that Bahuvrihi
Tra.
rule. Akaranta will become Rasvam. Akaranta and you put a Visarga.
Okay.
Yatra will become Yatraha.
Okay.
So, Rohini Mohade Pratna Slokam Karoti va?
Om Purnamatam Purnam Purnat Purnamichyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Like, can I ask something or?
Dhanyavadamu.
ధన్యవాదములు.